Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine, safe and healthy. This is me Masania and today we are going to start our continuation of explanation along with your book and copy work of lecture number 6. Second monthly or final term, chapter 7, algorithm and flowchart, page number 89. Okay, so now our next topic is loops and counter. In this, sometimes when the flowchart will be very long, if you want to print the name of our school 200 times, to make it short, we can use counter. कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि जब हमारा फ्लो चार्ट कुछ ज़्यादा लंबा हो जाता है, फॉर एग्जांपल अगर हमें हमारे स्कूल का नाम 200 दफ़ा प्रिंट करना है तो हम उसको थोड़ा शॉर्ट करने के लिए हम काउंटर वैल्यू यूज़ करते हैं. कैसे, चले आए देख लेते हैं. सबसे पहले तो अ काउंटर इज़ यूज टू काउंट द नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स अ प्रोसेस इज़ बीइंग रिपीटेड. ठीक है, अगर तो बार बार एक ही प्रोसेस बार बार रिपीट होता जा रहा है तो वो हम काउंट की मदद से इजीली काउंट कर सकते हैं उसके नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स. और ये जो बार बार रिपीट होता जाता है इसको हम लूपिंग कहते हैं. ठीक है, ये अगर आप अपनी स्क्रीन पर देखेंगे तो देखें आपको एक फ्लो चार्ट दिया जा रहा है कि हम स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं और स्कूल नेम को हम प्रिंट कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, तो हम काउंट दे रहे हैं एज अ 1 और उसके बाद हम उसमें एक स्टेटमेंट दे रहे हैं और वो स्टेटमेंट क्या है, काउंट इज इक्वल्स टू काउंट प्लस 1. इसमें क्या होता है कि वो तब तक काउंट करता रहेगा जब तक कि आपकी काउंट वेरिएबल जो है वो ग्रेटर देन और इज इक्वल्स टू 200 नहीं हो जाते. ठीक है, वो आपके स्कूल नेम को ऑटोमेटिकली प्रिंट करता जाएगा. ठीक है. Okay, so now let us start with our book activity which is on page number 93. As you can see on your screen, we have ticked the correct answer. So let us start the first one. Remaining 3, try to do it by yourself. So the first one is a stepwise set of instructions. 3 options are given to you. Among these 3, you have to select any one. So for the first one, answer will be option number 2, algorithm. Okay, try to do remaining 3. Okay, so the next activity is also on page number 93 and we have total 7, which is fill in the blanks. Let us start with the first one. A dash is written in a simple language and must be efficient and limited to a finite number of steps. So for this the answer will be algorithm. Similarly, you will do the next 6 and you can easily find the answers in your chapter. So read the chapter thoroughly and try to fill in the blanks. Okay, they're easy and simple. You'll easily get it in your chapter. Okay, then this is the third book activity which is also on page number 93. In this you just have to give the name of the flowchart symbols and its uses. Okay, so let us start with the first one. As you can see a diamond shape over here. So for this the name will be decision box and your use will be that it is used to display the comparison and take decisions according to condition. Similarly, we have the second one. As you can see a circle shaped picture. In this the name will be connector and your use will be to join the part of a flow chart to one another. Okay, then we have a rectangular box which is known as processing box. It is used to display the processing part of the flow chart. And the last one, as you can see the 4 arrows, these are used as flow lines and it is used to connect and indicate the flow of the data in the flow chart. Okay, so now we have the next book activity which is on page number 94. In this you have to rearrange all the steps of algorithm in proper order. So as you can see on your screen, step 1 will be start, step 2 have dinner, step 3 will be brush your teeth after dinner, fourth one switch off the light, fifth one go to the bed and sleep, and finally your last step will be stop. Okay, try to do this activity by yourself. Okay, so now let us start with our copy work. First of all, we will make the title page as shown on your previous screen. Then the index, second monthly or final term, chapter number 7, algorithm and flowchart, book activity which is on page number 93 and 94. Take the correct answer, fill in the blanks, name and its uses, and the last activity is steps of algorithm, and finally your copy word, which is think and answer, question and answer, short and long. Okay, try to do it as it has been shown. Okay, so now let us start with think and answer. First of all, Rehan wants to make two flowcharts in MS Paint. First for the steps to require to start a computer, and the second for the steps required to shed on the computer. Help him to accomplish his task. Okay, the first step I'll tell you how to do it. Okay, try to do the second one by yourself. Okay. Okay, first of all, we will give the heading of flowchart for starting a computer, and then we will make a flowchart. So, as you all know, when we need to start a computer, first of all, we will start it, then we will turn on the power switch, then the current will flow through our CPU. Finally, our monitors will switch on, and as it is switched on, we will fill our lock screen by typing the password. Then click on the arrow, and our computer is ready for work. Okay. Now, this is the next activity of the same thing and answer second part. Now, first it was to start, now it is to shut down. Try to do this activity by yourself. It's quite easy and simple. Okay. Okay, so now let us start with our short question and answer. Question number 1, write the name of the symbol used for processing in flowchart. So the answer will be rectangle. What is the parallel shape called in flowchart? It's an input output box. Question number 3, what is the shape of a connector? So the answer will be circle. And the last, what is the use of arrows in a flowchart? So for this the answer will be flow lines are used to connect and indicate the flow of a data in a flow chart. Okay, so now we have long question and answers. So let us begin with our question. What is the importance of a flow chart? So for this the answer will be a flow chart is a graphical representation of an algorithm. These flowcharts play a vital role in the programming of a problem and are quite helpful in understanding the logic of complicated and lengthy problems. Moving on to question number 2. What is an algorithm? So the answer will be an algorithm is a stepwise set of instructions written to solve a problem. And the last question is name the symbols used to draw a flowchart. So for this the answer will be start, stop box, processing box, connector, flow lines, input output box and decision box. By this we are done with our chapter of algorithm and flowchart. Thank you for watching this video. We will continue in the next lecture. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.